9 chapters of names isn't just a list, it's a lineage. From Adam to the exile, God was weaving a golden thread through the chaos of human history. The focus narrows to one tribe, Judah, the line of the king. This isn't just family history, it's the blueprint for the coming Messiah. Beyond the need of a king, it needs a heart for worship. The chronicler highlights the Levites, the keepers of the presence. Before Israel was a nation of warriors, they were a people designed for praise. In a sea of thousands, one man cried out. Jabez asked for a blessing, and God stopped the clock to answer. Individual story is never lost in the crowd. God still hears prayers no matter how you feel. Israel's first king ends in shadow. Saul fell because he stopped listening to the source. A crown without a connection to the King of Kings is a heavy burden that eventually breaks the man who wears it. The era of Saul is over. The stage is set for a man after God's own heart. The shepherd is coming to the city, and the sun is rising on a throne that will last forever.